Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped, and welcome to the McLaren 600LT. Just 3 laps of the Goodwood Motor Circuit. Hold on to your pants, this is going to be fast.
So you ready? If you're ready, we'll fire it up.
I was born ready. Yeah. So guys, welcome to the McLaren 600LT. I've been waiting to drive this car a very long time.
Cool. So press the active button, that's going to activate the dynamic panel. As with the 570, we've got handling mode on the left, powertrain on the right.
Yep.
The car's in manual. You happy with manual?
Absolutely.
Spot on. Cool. So I've got the car set up in track, so it's in its stiffest setting. Damping super stiff, so you can feel everything in the road.
Yeah.
Reduce the amount of roll in the car as well, and obviously we're not going to get too much pitch on the brakes, so it's really going to work the tyre.
Yeah.
Powertrain on the right, so the gear shifts are super quick, nice and responsive. The throttle pedal's really responsive as well. So,
yeah.
And the car's obviously set up in manual. So if you're ready, we'll pop it into first gear. Just watch this car come down the pit lane. It's such a tight pit lane here.
It is.
It's one of the cool things about this place, though. It's so old school.
Yeah.
Have you driven the track?
Oh yeah, I've done the spring sprint here 5 times, lots of track days.
Oh cool, oh wicked,
Yeah.
okay cool.
But only I've got a John Cooper Works Mini and a Caterham.
Cool.
So this is slightly quicker than any of them. Oh yeah.
Okay, so into here you can kind of trail the brakes out to the red arrow. That's it, and then just get to the first apex, let it run a little bit. Get back to the second apex and then just start building the power, start trusting the grip. With the brake here, get the car in, and then start to feed the power back in again. Good. And then just have as we go over the crest, have a smooth transition onto the brake, let the car run out to the red arrow, get off the brakes, turn us in, start building the power up again now. Good. A little bit of a brake on the way into here.
Oh, that grip on the turning's unbelievable.
It's amazing, isn't it? In, onto the brakes, out to the red arrow on the left. Into the curb, and obviously the car's on Trofeo R's as well, so as they start to warm up you'll start to increase the grip a little bit. You'll feel them warm over the first lap or so. Flat through here, super smooth with the wheel.
140, 150, 160.
Hard on the brakes, good. Harder on the brakes, good, that's it, out to the red arrow. Nice, out to the second one.
Oh, wow, 160 down the straight, that is outrageous. The brakes are really very, very special.
They're amazing, aren't they? And the car's really stable on them, you know, it puts the grip down on the road really well on the brakes.
Man alive, this thing goes 130.
That's it, out to the arrow, get us back into the apex, and then just let it run to the middle again and keep building the power. Just trust the grip a little bit more. Good. Nice. Soft brake on entry, then get off the brakes now, turn us in. Nice.
And 120 through 4 quarter, that's a record for me.
Good. Nice smooth roll onto the brake, out to the arrow, get off the brake now, turn us in. Get the power up again. Good. Brake. And then wait until we see an indicator from these guys. Let us through. We'll pass them on the left when they let us through. Just wait till we see a signal. There we go. Good. Out to the red arrow. That's nice. Back to the apex.
This is definitely a third. I was second last time. It was just had to short shift halfway through.
Nice short shift here as well, and then get back on it. There we go. Short shift. There we go. Now go. Good. Flat through here. Off the brake, good, trust the grip on the entry, back over to the apex.
This is just... Oh, we got a few pops coming out the back as well. What a car! 130.
Out to the red arrow. Good, start to roll off the brake, start to roll off the brake. That's it, get to the apex curb. Come out to the middle of the road.
Oh, it's got just so much grip now.
Nice soft brake, good, off the brake, turn it in, start feeding the power back in again. Good.
125 at forward water.
Nice smooth roll onto the brake, start to feed off the brake now, get us back into the apex, build the power again. That's good. Then brake, get us back into the left. Nice, start feeding the power in again.
Oh, you can just feel it moving under me a little bit. It's just magnificent.
Good. Back into the apex on the right. It's nice. And then we'll start to cruise back, so just obviously really nice and early here, good brakes. Really good. Really good.
Wow!
That's good. Enjoy it.
What a machine!
It's amazing, isn't it?
So that's my first proper supercar drive on a circuit.
Really? It was
Yeah,
like
I've
mega, like,
been vlogging a long time, and I've driven lots of supercars on the road, but not. I've driven the new Vantage on track at Silverstone,
cool, okay.
but not.
Super smooth with the car, which especially on something like a Trofeo that's like almost like a cut slick.
Yeah.
It's so important to maximise the grip. Like forward water, you're being so smooth with the wheels. So I was just the last lap. I was like, right, get off the brake, and just, and then you can roll so much speed because you know you're keeping the car nice and stable mid corner. And like as you said, saw 126, I think was the apex speed of forward water. Yeah, so
Wow.
it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
That's some machine.
You can feel the aero start to work through there as well. It's 100 at 250k. It's got 100 kilos of downforce on it, so you can feel that starting to work as well. Through
some machine. What a thing! What a thing!
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is our, you know, for us as drivers, this is our.
What do we do now? Just.
I mean, a lot of my colleagues will agree that this is the most fun out of all of the stuff that we make really on the track. It's so fun. You know, the Senna's obviously incredible just because of the aero and everything, but just for a laugh like that, you know, you've got a few laps to go out and have some fun in something, and this is the one. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very,
it's
very
a pleasure.
much.
Cool.
What an experience that was. Won't forget that in a hurry. There you go, pedalers. That's what it's like to do a very fast lap round Goodwood in a McLaren 600LT. Wow. So that was quite easily one of the most mind-bending driving experiences I have yet experienced in my life. The 600LT around Goodwood Motor Circuit is just something on another level. I cannot recalibrate my brain enough just as the Ford GT goes past. Look. Sadly, I didn't get to drive one of those today. But yeah, you just have to recalibrate how fast you can go around Goodwood Motor Circuit. 160 miles an hour down the main straight, 125 miles an hour through forward water. Absolutely brilliant thing. Huge thank you to McLaren for letting me drive it and letting me drive it so quick. And a huge thank you to Goodwood for the invite today, but I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have done so, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol for plenty more content to come. And I'll see you on the next film, guys, but you take care. Drive safe.